Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. This is my Ball Fireman Ducks Unlimited Edition watch. It finally arrived today. I've got it from jomashop.com. Jomashop is not paying me to do this video. This is on my own accord. This is an unboxing video. It hasn't been unboxed at all. Sometimes I do kind of like a re-unboxing video, but this has not been open yet. I got this like maybe 3 hours ago. I was waiting for this like all day, and I finally got it. I was hell-bent on opening up as soon as I got it, but I wanted to have some downtime to open up the box and show everyone. So let's give it a go. This is my first ball watch. Forgot to mention that. I've always heard good things about ball watches, so yeah, here we go. This. It's kind of heavy. Let's get that out the way. Jesus. Wow, look at that. Got it upside down. Wow, that's a huge box. This is my biggest watch box I've ever gotten. I really like the material. Wow, look, so let's slide it out. Hold on 1 second. Bear with me. Here we go. Ball official standard. I can see under adverse conditions since 1891. So here we go. We're gonna finally lift her up. Wow, I really like this material. Of course, I'm gonna spend 5 minutes talking about the box. Just kidding. Okay, let's put that aside. Here we go. Oh wow, here we go. The sliding part. 1 second. Sorry for the camera action. Here we go. 40mm automatic watch. Ducks Unlimited. As you can see, it's already going. Wow, I really like this material. This is different. I'm not really used to that kind of pillow type material. Let's see if there's any booklets. Yeah, it looks like there's booklets at the bottom. Second. Ball watch, a serial number, purchase date. Could probably just fill that out myself. And this booklet. That'd be cool if it came with some sort of CD. Reminder in order to prevent damage. Piece of manuscript date. Well, it's at 12:15 right now. I like how it came with this little card here, official ball watch. Okay, let's go back to the watch. There we go. Try the loom. Lighting her up, just give me 1 second. Well, I guess it takes a little bit of time to light up with this one since this is a different kind of loom. It's micro gas tubes. It's not like the, what do you call it? Like more of the standard looms, the Luminova. So let's give it a go. Yeah, I guess it takes a little bit of time to warm up, or loom up rather. But anyway, let's skip over that part now. So I'm gonna put the watch on. Let me move the box for a second. feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap. It's not too lightweight. It's not too heavy. Feels just about right. It's 40 millimeters. Give me 1 second. Oh, I love this. Kind of like model off after the Rolex. 1 second. Of course, you're gonna tape all this off. A lot of watch companies do that, like this butterfly class. I'm pretty sure I mentioned in my other videos, I'm not really a fan of the butterfly class. It's kind of weird to me. I'm so used to more of the standard clasp. There we go. See, that's why I don't really like them. It can be a little bit annoying. Here we go. So yeah, I think it's a pretty nice watch. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like it's very expensive. It looks like they put a lot of time and effort into this. With the loom, like I mentioned, I think it takes a little bit more time for it to get going. It's a different kind of loom for me. I'm more used to the other kinds of looms, the more standard looms. Yeah, this is my Ball Fireman Dux Unlimited watch. I got a great deal on it on Joma Shop. It's normally 695 US dollars on there. I got it for 495 US dollars on there. I got the standard shipping. I ordered it, what was it, last Wednesday, I think, or Thursday, and I got it today, Tuesday, so barely a week. A lot of people are concerned about the website as a whole. Is it legitimate? How's our customer service? I've ordered many things from Joma Shop, and I've had no complaints from that. I haven't personally dealt with the customer service at this point. I kind of don't want to deal with their customer service at this point because I would probably mean there's some kind of issue. But as far as that goes, I never had to call them or email them, anything like that. But as far as getting merchandise out, the type of merchandise I'm getting, like if I order, like for this, for example, when I ordered the Fireman Dux Unlimited watch, I'm getting exactly what I'm getting in the picture. I'm not getting some kind of weird color, a smaller size, and of course, you always got to make sure you read the fine print. You can't really blame somebody else just because you misread something or didn't see something right. So you make sure you read everything correctly. Like there's a Seiko watch, there's two versions of it. You can get it in the 41 millimeter version, you get it in the 37 millimeter version. So it's easy to kind of mess up and say, oh, I thought I got the 41 version. It's like, no, you got to read that fine print. But anyways, I think I'm going to stop rambling out. It also has a good case thickness. On the picture, it does look like it's 13 millimeter case thickness. So yeah, it's, I like that. I don't really like really thin case sizes. But anyways, if you have any questions or concerns, please send me a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. And sorry for the crudeness. I'm not really good at these unboxing videos as I don't really have a studio or a good setup in my home. There's too many distractions actually in my home for unboxings and stuff. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.